This is I don't like. This is nucleus. The first cell is the first cell is called K or E is equal to N K. So it has 2 electrons only. It has 2 electrons. Next second cell has how many electrons have cell? Tell me. 8 electrons have. 8 electrons. Write down 8 electrons. 8 electrons. Write down. In that way, write down 8 electrons. This cell is called L. L shell or E2. This is E1. This is E1. This is E2. Electron 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 electrons. Third cell how many? What do you call third cell? M shell is called third shell. M shell is called M shell. This is M shell. It has also 8 electrons. It has also 8 electrons. This is first cell is called duplet rule. Next cell is called octet rule. Octet rule. The next one is fourth cell is called, what is the fourth shell called? N shell. KLMN. The next one is O shell. This is O shell. This is O shell. First, whenever the sun rays fall on the electron, several electron of the element, it jumps from this to here. While going, it absorbs energy. After going to the final shell or valence shell, final shell is called valence shell. It jumps down return. While jumps down, it is called photon. It is called photon. Write down. It is called photon. It is called photon. It is called photon. 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 When jumps down, it gives colors. From 6 to right, from 6 to jumping electrons jumping down from 6 to 2 gives what is the color? Violet color. Wavelength is how much? Wavelength symbol is what? What is the symbol? Wavelength of the symbol is lambda. Wavelength of the light, it is a wave. A lambda, it is called wavelength. How much? 385 nanometers. 385 nanometers, which is 10 to the power of minus 9 is that. The wavelength of the violet. This is violet. Next from 3 to 2. From shell 3 to 2, it gives which gives visible light of red color, which has 657 nanometers. In between blue, green and purple are there. In that black you have seen blue, green and purple are there, purple colors. Those are 435 and 485 nanometers. Those are need not necessary for you. What is that? What is this model is called? What is this model? This model is called Bohr model. What do you call this model? Bohr model. This model is called Bohr, BOH or Bohr model. Bohr model. What are the defects of the Bohr?
Did not affect his did not explain this Zeeman and Stark effect.
First one is he found up to hydrogen only. Hydrogen means this hydrogen only. It doesn't go beyond that to hydrogen. And he did not tell the defects of the Bohr model. First one is he found up to split up to the hydrogen. Second point is he didn't tell the what is that? Could now tell Stark effect and G effect. Stark effect and G effect.
Zeeman effect.
Zeeman effect. What is Zeeman effect? What is Zeeman effect and Stark effect? You don't know, those are not need not necessary. Next, these are the defects. This model is called Bohr model. What is the spectrum? Spectrum called. What do you call spectrum? What is the definition of the spectrum? A line spectrum is which gives multiple wavelengths. Which gives multiple wavelengths. Spectrum is called multiple wavelengths which are given on the scale of the which are given on the scale in our textbook. These are the lines which we have to observe it. Jumping from 6 to 2, what is the color? Observe it. What is the color? Jumping from 6 to 2. This is the 2. This is 2. This is 2. Violet. Here to jumping over here, violet color. Next one, 3 to 2. 3 to 2, what is the color? 3 to red color, which is the wavelength, larger wavelength. 657 nanometers. This is 385 nanometers. Okay, stop this. Stop it. 8 minutes in the. Do it. How many minutes? Tell. Next. Here. What is the wavelength of the purple color? Tell me. What is the wavelength of purple color? 385 violet. Next. 435 is the purple color is 435 nanometers. Write down 435. The wavelength of write down. The wavelength of the purple color is 435 nanometers. 435 nanometers. 435 nanometers. Next to blue green. The wavelength of the blue green. Purple color 4 to 2. 4 to 2 and 5 to 2. No, not 5 to 2. Next 4 to 2. What is the color? Blue green. Blue green. The wavelength of blue green is 450 above. Right? 450. Now, those are not need and necessary. You will be asked these two only. You will be asked these two only. Okay, na. Next.